Have 5 minutes? Let's talk about diversity and inclusion in paper crafting. Hey guys, thanks for popping in. I want to talk to you about something super exciting. A new collection out by Paper House Productions. I am blessed enough to be on their design team, and the timing on this collection, you guys, is unreal. Wait till you check this out. The collection is called This Is Us. It's all about celebrating uniqueness, diversity, inclusion, empowerment, and just straight up love. So I'll talk about the planner stuff first, and then I will save the scrapbooking goodies for last. So these are sticker books. These are perfect for your planner. I personally have an Erin Condren. I do monthly and weekly spreads, but I'll show you a couple of them. They mostly all have bright colors, beautiful gold foil, lots of empowering phrases. So each spread has the ability to look individual, but then your overall planner will have a cohesive feel to it. Super cute. This one's a little bit different. This one has gold foil, but it's monochromatic. So it's very classy. Very Breakfast at Tiffany's, so very glamour. Super pretty. This one is one of my favorites. Self-care isn't selfish, because sometimes we have lofty COVID-19 goals and we feel like we should all be baking bread and be productivity 10 out of 10, when really, we just need to take a break. Just need to take a break, guys. And I apologize ahead of time. I have a little mini backyard homestead. I've been out in the garden all day, and I've been tried to clean my fingernails as best I could, so I apologize. But, ooh, check that out. Beautiful. Let's do this one here, just be you. And the whole premise behind this is that, you know, if you see yourself being represented more and more often, you have confidence to be yourself, to be who you truly are, and just, you know, be awesome. Super cute. So as you can see, these sticker books have a lot of stickers in them. Okay, so those are the sticker books. Now onto the weekly kit stickers. These are awesome. They have a little bit larger stickers. They have these weekly stickers here, which I love to put my goals on here, staying hydrated, drinking water, working out, which, let's be real, sometimes it doesn't happen. But that's okay. If I write it down in my planner, kind of feel like that's step one. This one is one of my favorites because it reminds me of our Stargazer collection. And just those beautiful jewel tones. Start before you're ready. I love that. I feel like sometimes I get so caught up in the planning of it all that sometimes I get started a lot later than I should have, you know? And this one is one of my favorites because it shows tattooed women, and I myself am one, and I feel like sometimes the stereotype is that we're all bad people. I think it was Elena of Avalor the other day that actually had that. The antagonist was a lovely tattooed female, so I'm trying to break that mold and emphasizing we are not all bad. Might as well do this one since I did the other one. Super cute, cheetah print, pink, gold foil. Super cute. And now on to the scrapbooking goodies. These are the dimensional stickers. These are perfect for 12 by 12 layouts, 8.5 by 11, traveler's notebooks, or all of the above. Self-care isn't selfish. I did my best, put on pants, left the house. I feel you. I did not do any of those today. Currently wearing leggings. I love that. Hey look, where'd they get a sticker of me? This one is my third favorite. Again, totally my vibe. And check this one out. We are the granddaughters of the witches you could not burn. This is a self-care one. Self-care is not selfish. It really isn't. I'm about to go take a bath myself. Some chamomile bath salts that my friend Lena made. Some lovely autism stickers here. Rainbow, because who doesn't love a good rainbow, right? Super cute. This is just beautiful. I love these dimensional stickers. That unicorn has glitter on it. I mean, come on, how cute is that? Alright, this is my second favorite. I lost track. First or second. Oh man, that epoxy is just beautiful. And Princess Leia. I love that. Oh look, RIP to all of my corporate outfits that I haven't seen in months. because I've been at home. No, but on a serious note, I hope everyone is staying safe. And last but not least, we are beautiful. Iridescence, right up my alley. Beautiful, magical, all the goodness. You guys, I really hope you check this out. paperhouseproductions.com, my code. You can use it, 20% off. PH20ERIKA for Erica. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you have a beautiful weekend. Bye. What to watch next? Decisions. Hey, why not both?